It's easy to customize your wardrobe when you refashion old clothing. And a very trendy item to make is the classic wraparound skirt. But here's the catch. Today we're going to repurpose old denim jeans found at the thrift store to make this one-of-a-kind skirt. And all you need is a little inspiration and some imagination. So if you're ready, let's make it. You'll need your Brother Sewing and Embroidery machine, your Brother serger, 2 pairs of once-loved denim jeans, coordinating fabric for the waistband lining, a basic wrap skirt pattern, fabric scissors, straight pins, marking pencils, a measuring tape, an iron, 4 buttons or twill cording. First, let's deconstruct your denim jeans. Start by cutting the inseam of the legs to open them up. Next, cut straight up the center on one side of the zipper and straight up the center of the back. Open your deconstructed jeans and use only the leg portion. Lay your pattern with the waistline just below the hem of your jeans. You'll see that the pattern fits perfectly on the open wide leg. Since you're just using the legs, you'll need to cut off the top portion of the jeans. But remember, save your scraps. You can use the top portion of the jeans to create other projects like a denim wine sleeve or even a purse. You'll do the same with the other leg of the jeans. And for this project, you'll need to cut 4 pieces of the skirt pattern, so you have 4 panels. That means you'll be using 2 pairs of jeans. It's okay if your denim jeans are different washes because it just makes the design even more eye-catching. Once you have all 4 panel pieces cut, match up the notched edges of 2 pieces. Lay them right sides together, pin them in place, and serge or sew the sides together. Now you have the 4 panels sewn together to create one piece of denim material, which makes up the wrap skirt. The wrapping of the skirt will overlap in the front, so the skirt doesn't open when you're moving. Next, fold in the raw edges on the sides of the wrap skirt. Press them in, pin, and then top stitch. This will finish the ends of the wrap skirt. With the right side facing up, lay the waistband lining fabric along the top of the waistline. Pin it in place. And fold the edge of the liner over onto itself at the end. Sew the waistband liner onto the skirt. If you want to use ties as the closure for your wrap skirt, add 6 twill cording pieces between the skirt and the liner facing in. If you're adding buttons, continue to sew the waistband liner to the skirt top. Back at your ironing table, flip the waistband liner to the inside of the skirt. Press with your iron as you go, pin it in place, and then top stitch the skirt along the waistline. And this will finish your waistline. Determine the placement of the buttons. You'll need to add 1 button to the inside panel of the wrap skirt and 1 or more buttons to the front panel. Using your sewing machine, create the buttonholes. And remember, the inside button should face in towards the body. Next, sew on the buttons. Decide on the length for your skirt. Then press the bottom hem up and pin in place. Then top stitch the bottom hem. You can also add a colorful embroidery to 1 or more of the panels of your skirt now too. And there you have it, repurposed denim jeans turned into a fashion-forward wraparound skirt. Now, you can pair this with a t-shirt or a blouse, or even a denim vest to get a real trendy look. But whatever you do, feel good about upcycling fashion and get creative with your designs.